Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, very colorful makeup, obviously. I would love to have you subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. But if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed our small bit of time together, whatever that may end up being. And if it's nothing, it's nothing. It is what it is. Today I am playing with the Blend Bunny Lure palette, which looks like this. It is absolutely gorgeous. I created this stunning mermaid water, ocean, I don't know what to call it, look. I'm absolutely loving it. It's kind of giving fairy in a sense. I love it. An ocean fairy. Maybe that's what we'll go with. An ocean fairy. Or seahorse. I don't know. It's giving ocean fairy though. But anyways, let's stop blabbing. So if you want to see how I ended up creating this stunning look right here and hear me literally blabber, because there was a good part of this where I was just blabbing, then let's get into it. Hi guys. I just tried to film this and it went really good, and then I realized the quality on it was utter shit. It was like I was filming through potatoes. So we are redoing it. It is what it is. Today's drinky drink is this little electrolyte drink right here. I've been behind on hydration. It is what it is. Take care of yourself. It tastes like orange jello. But a lovely subscriber named Dawn, who is also an amazing subscriber to like Erica and Jan, I think maybe Shawnee too, just all of us. She wanted me to play with the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Lure palette. So that's what I will be doing here today. It looks like this. It is absolutely gorgeous. We're going to be playing with some of the blues and this pearl shade right here. And I think that, if I remember what I just did, I should be really good at it because I just did it. So let's get into this. Any product that I use and or mention in this video will be linked down below. Maybe timestamps, but I also don't feel like I will need that for this, but most of the time I do have timestamps down there too. To prime my eyes, I used the REM Beauty Sweetener Concealer in Fair 2N, and then I set it with Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. So let's get into this. So to start, I think I'm going to go in with that Lost at Sea shade right there. I'm going to take it on my Refer 14 here. I'm going to plop that into the crease area here. I'm just going to plop it in, get it like right above it, and then I'm going to pack it in as I really want this shade to pop here. I know I just saw Shawnee play with this palette for her Copy Kitty look with Jan. So that was fun. I've always adored this palette. This is a palette I absolutely love, but this is like my first time actually taking it out and using it on its own. I don't know. I think I've said this before with this palette. I just get stumped when I look at it and what I want to do with it. Which is why I've barely taken it out, but I absolutely love it. I think it is freaking stunning. Like, this is such a gorgeous color story, and I'm just mad at myself for not using it more. But I'm just taking that Lost at Sea shade and just packing it in here. Again, I want the color pigment payoff, and I'm going to take that and bring it down here. And then I'm going to pop a little bit into here. This is not going to be a halo eye, but I am using the placement of a halo eye for this shade right now. But just plopping that in, making sure I'm getting the color pigment payoff that I want. Making sure I'm blending everything out so you don't want any harsh edges up here. Just a lot of blending. I think I'm going to go in now with a little bit of this Explore shade, this dark blue shade right there. I'm going to take it on my Refer 13 here and just plop it into outer here, this outer edge right here. There's going to be a lot of blending in this look here today. I'm just taking that in here, popping it in, blending it out a little bit with this brush, and then I'm going to go in with my Unearthly UC87. This is from their this year's Valentine's Day collection box, their Charmer collection. But just dipping it in there, plopping it into that outer edge, and then blending. Going in with that Unearthly brush now, like I said, just blending it in here. We're going for a blue look here today. We're really staying with the ocean theme, as my last video was the Keys Beachy and Peachy palette from Nomad, and then this one is essentially the mermaid palette. So we've got a theme going, which makes sense because I'm going to be near the water in under 3 weeks, kind of around 3 weeks. He keeps reminding me. I love it. We're going to go in with this shade right here called the Deep Now. Again, still going in with this Rephr 13. We're just going to plop it into right here, and then we're going to blend. Going in with that Unearthly UC87 now, blending it out. For whatever reason, I have this, like, I thought I fucked up and did something, like, really bad. Not makeup-wise. I don't even remember what it was. I don't even remember what I apparently fucked up on. And now I'm, like, sitting here anxious. Like, what did I screw up on that I'm, like, thinking like this? Like, I know I had, like, the whole video filmed out. I'm like, I can go and redo that. So I'm like, what exactly did I do? Why am I thinking like this? What did I screw up on? Like, I don't know. I don't know, and it's, like, really stressing me out, and I'm hating it. So, there's that. Like, there was a thought. It was, like, you fucked up, and then it, like, left immediately after, and I'm just sitting here, like, what did I do? Can that thought come back so then I'm not sitting here, like, But I'm going to go in with a little bit of this 332 meters shade right there. Still on my Rephr 13. Not a lot. We're just going to be taking it right here. Just adding a little bit more depth, but also having a tad bit brighter shade than those two darker blues. I mean, I guess it's not that much brighter, but it's still a little change, a little something else here. And then I'm going to go in with my Unearthly UC87 and blend it out. Again, I want to remember what I, like, screwed up on. What did I screw up on? I don't know. It's making me, like, flip out. But I'm going to go in with that In a Bottle shade right there. I'm going to take it on my Rephr 21. And I'm going to just plop it out here. Just out in this edge, right where we blended that 332 meters into that deep shade. I don't like to spray my brushes. I haven't sprayed my brushes. This is just what the shadow does on its own. I mean, it must have not been something really big if I freaking forgot it. But I know I did something, or else it wouldn't have, like, come to mind. Oh my god. No, so I'm not just gonna sit here stressing. But I'm gonna go in with that Folklore shade right there. And I'm still gonna take that on this Rephr 21. And I'm going to plop that into this space right here. And blending those two together right in there. Dawn, I hope you like this look. I hope you like color. I hope this isn't too much for you because I'm still not done. But yeah, I'm just taking that in there. And then I'm going to go in with my Rephr 03 brush. And I'm going to go in with that pearl shade right there. And I'm going to be plopping that into the inner corner here. So right in here. And then up. Just like that. I really like that. I'm going to go back in with that Rephr 21 though and just kind of blend that pearl shade out a little bit here. But I think that is super freaking gorgeous. Yeah, that is just so pretty. I think I might yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like this. I will come back to do the under eye. We'll talk about the lip details, the highlight details, the blush details, all that good stuff. I'll be right back. Maybe I can remember on what I fucked up on. I guess we will see. Oh, hi, I'm back now. Trying to get that situated. I don't know. It is what it is. Let's go over a little bit of details. For bronzer, I use this REM Beauty Blazed Satin Matte Bronzer in Blazed, which looks like this. I absolutely love it. I don't know, it's just really good. For blush, I went in with REM Beauty Satin Matte Blush in Strawberry Nebula, which looks like this, and a little bit of the Blend Bunny Juicy Cheeks palette in Mouthwatering. They're essentially the same shade. It just, I don't know. I felt like using both, so why not use both? For highlight, I went in with the Blend Bunny Not Too Loose palette. I used Phenomena and Apparition here. Let me see if I can, hopefully, yeah, a little bit. We're getting a little bit. So the pink and the blue one. I do have another one of these. Do not worry. I will be having my pink one. Clearly, I love it. But yeah, that is the details for that. For lip, I put on this Naja Hall Beauty one in Self Care. I think I'm going to put a little bit of this REM Beauty Glossy Balm on over this, but I wanted to do the under eye here first, get that done with before, you know, we scoot along. I'm thinking, I don't know. What are we thinking here, you guys? Dawn, what are we thinking? I kind of want to put a little bit of the purple down there. I don't know. I'm feeling this though. I'm thinking maybe like that and that. I don't know. I genuinely don't know. I'm kind of feeling the blue, but maybe we'll do this. This is what we'll do. We will do this or that. One of those two blues right there with those two pinks. So I'm going to start, I think, just because it's the shade that we used before, I'm going to go in with that Lost at Sea shade right there. Going in with my Refer 03 here and bringing that along the lower lash line. Also, I feel like no matter how many times I glue my lashes down, there's always going to be one part, like right here, that is just not doing what it needs to do. But I'm going to lightly bring it all the way forward here. Just lightly. Maybe I will keep it blue. I don't know. But I'm just bringing it all the way down. Glued this, so I don't know why it is not doing what I asked it to do. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that booty shade right there, taking that on my Refer 03. Not a lot. We are not needing a lot for this. I'm just lightly bringing it up really close to the waterline right in this part. I really like that, and I'm just blending those two together a little bit there, and then I think I'm going to go in with just a tiny amount of that beaded shade right there. I'm going to switch the brush and use my Refer 23, like I said, and then bring it like right in here. I'm doing it so it's rather prominent. Also, I just got the Unearthly Don't Be Jelly palette, so that's probably the next one that I will use since we are going with the theme of water. I want to go in with a little bit of that pearl shade again before I put some mascara on the bottom lashes. The mascara will be the Maybelline Sky High Mascara in Waterproof. Like I said, I'm going to go in with my Refer 03 in that pearl shade. Just plop it in the inner corner here. I think this is freaking stunning. I'm just going to drag a little bit down this way. This is gorgeous. And now I'm mad at myself for not playing with this like this until now. But it is, oh, this is gorgeous. So I'm going to use this REM Beauty Glossy Balm in Strawberry Soda here. Just going to plop that on over this Naja Hall one. I like that. I think that is super pretty. It's super gorgeous. love it. I think it is super, yeah. I absolutely love this palette. I'm really mad at myself for not playing with this more until now, but I think I'm going to pull this out more. Maybe we'll do a couple multiple looks videos, hopefully, possibly. We will see. But this was a lot of fun to do. I absolutely love this look. It's giving mermaid. It's giving the poster for the recent Little Mermaid movie, and I freaking love it. So here is a little look at it. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's so pretty. It's stunning. The whole look is stunning, and I'm loving my makeup skills as of late, because this is it's so much more fun to enjoy makeup when you're good at it. Not that I didn't enjoy it before, but you feel more better about it and at ease. So there's that. But if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. A couple things before you go. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. There's so many better things to do with your time, your money, your energy. And I understand you don't like it. I understand you don't understand it. But that is something that you need to take a step back and reflect on and do better on. It is 2024. Pull your head out of your ass. Do better. Okay? Okay. And remember to be getting enough water, enough nutrients, enough food, to be taking care of yourself, having those self-care days, you know, getting the electrolytes in, not being such a people pleaser. Okay? Do better. Do better for yourself. Do better to yourself. Yeah. But again, if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. Again, I really do appreciate it. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.